सस्तू पड़े?
हैं?
January. So this is a very famous winter food, guys. Tinatawag siyang pok in one plate. Season nila. Winter season. That's the pok season. Inahabol namin yung 12:20 na movie. This is my first time eating here in Pizza Hut in India. It's good. We will be full already with this.
I can't even finish this.
Because you ate already the curry. Actually, something happened earlier. So, papunta kami sa Barodra ngayon ni Doc Milan dahil magsa-celebrate kami ng wedding anniversary namin. Kaya maaga kaming umalis dahil kailangan naming umalis ng napakaaga para umabot kami doon sa mismong oras ng pupuntahan naming sine. So, ayan guys, nandito tayo sa lugar na ito para bumili ng tinatawag nilang pork. So, Milan, what is pork? It's a seasonal food, no? So, meron silang tinitin ng pork dito. So, bili tayo. So, sa gilid, merong gumagawa. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Na so ganyan yung pork. Andun sa gilid. Bataw, may sala. So ayun, pasok tayo dito sa loob. Karna ko, champal. So pinupukpok nilang ganito guys. Oh. Kaya lumenat siya. Ayan. So para siyang para siyang plant na ganito guys. Oh. Tapos inaalis nila yung laman ng sa loob. Kung madalas kayo nanonood sa mga videos namin, siguro alam nyo na kung paano ba ginagawa ito. So ayun, nakikita nyo pa doon. Ayan. Ayan, mainit yan. Mainit yan na sand. So nilalagay nila dyan. Pagkatapos sinakuya dito, isa-isahin nilang alisin. Ayan o. Ipasok nila dyan sa loob. Pagkatapos ipasok sa loob, pupukpukin nila. And dyan sa loob ng tela na yan, dyan mahuhulog yung mga pork. And dito sa pinakaharapan, dito sila nagbebenta. How much per kilo?
Kilo?
I mean for one dish.
1,000 rupees per kilo.
1,000 rupees per kilo. Oho, at labadamo o gubay? Kyare sasto para?
1,000?
1 lakh se sasto.
800 per kilo.
800 per kilo. Kyare sasto para? Eh? January. In January, it will be very sasto. Eka, this kitlano, che? 100 rupiah. Let's go and try it. It will be like that, oh.
Try.
I will try everything.
Green beans.
Eka, this banay do ba? So, ang unang gagawin nila is kikiluhin nila. They have to weigh it, Milan. It's very expensive, right? So, mula dun sa gilid, ilibubuhos nila dito sa palanggana na to. And then, meron silang pangilo. So, ayan. Ekajis kitlano kilo? Kitlano grams siya?
100 ग्राम pork and 50 ग्राम सेव ना
50 ग्राम सेव. Okay, 100 ग्राम pork. 50 ग्राम सेव.
100 gram pork and 50 gram.
Okay, 50 gram. 50 gram sev. Okay, yan. Nakikita nyo. Meron silang weighing scale.
चटनी ना हो
nakito. And then, maglalagay sila ng chutney.
मीडियम
Medium. Ahu chay, green chutney.
Green chutney.
Barabar. And this one is?
कोठानी चटनी
कोठानी chutney.
ना
Barabar.
चाट मसाला
Chaat masala. Then they will be mixing it and then they will serve it to you in one plate. Yes. This is 100 rupees or nasa mga 75 pesos sa atin.
Very costly.
It is very costly. Ew. This is considered cheap actually in Philippines if you will buy. But we don't have this one in Philippines, no? So not too much, not a lot of people buy this. Some people only.
Mostly thing.
So it's considered costly food pala, guys. Thank you. Let's go and try. You miss it? Only winter, no? Dumarating lang yung pagkain na to during winter. Let me go and try. So this is a very famous winter food, guys. Tinatawag siyang pok. So para siyang beans, no, Milan?
Fishball.
Para siyang fish ball. And very chewy siya. And they're also putting different 7 side. I mean, they're putting 7 side. And meron siyang iba't ibang mga spices. Meron siyang green chutney. Merong chaat masala, ganon. So nagpapasarap talaga yung yung mga pinagalo-halo nilang spices. Kain tayo. So dito sa gilid, guys, habang busy si na kuya, si Namasi naman dito, naalis nila yung mga pangit. So yung mga ugly stuff. Parang it's like to wear, no, Milan? They are removing the ugly stuff also. So yung mga ugly na na mga damo-damo, sineseparate nila. And ito na yung final product. And then they will be putting it here. Pagkatapos ilalagay nila doon.
How many people are working just for this plate? That's
Imagine.
why it's costly.
That's why. Because you're paying also for the working expense. So ayan, ito yung season nila. Winter season. That's the pork season. So nandito kami ngayon sa Inorbit Mall, guys, and we'll be watching a movie. Today is our anniversary, kaya nagpunta kami dito sa mall, guys, para manood and mag-enjoy. Ayan, nagmamadali na kami kasi inahabol namin yung 12:20 na movie. And ang oras ngayon is around 12:05 or 12:10. And bibili pa kami ng ticket. Milan, hi! Happy anniversary! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Cinepolis. We are currently sa Inorbit Mall. And actually, walang gaanong tao ngayon, no, Milan? There's not too much people right now. Why are you laughing? So, after movie, we decided to eat here at, where is it? Pizza Hut. So, nandito kami ngayon sa
Because
Pizza
you
Hut.
wanted to eat Filipino style pizza.
No, there's no such thing. I think it's different. They have different flavors.
Yes, but
guys.
it's just at least it's international brand rather than the
International
Lapinos that we eat regularly, right?
Yes. So, nandito kami and there's not too much people actually. And ngayon, we are
People like
gonna be
Indian
ordering.
brands.
Yes. And actually, it's very expensive as compared to the other, no? Like, so, not too much people are coming
There is
here.
some Filipino brand also for pizza.
Domino's.
Nali Filipino brand.
What? What?
Don't remember, but there is some pizza.
Buy one, take one?
Pizza franchisee.
Greenwich.
Yes, Greenwich.
Yeah. So, order na kami, guys. So, I will show them what are the options they have in here. Even yung mga pagkain nila dito, guys, maraming masala.
Different thing is, there is some symbol, look.
Okay, there's veg and non-veg.
In Philippines, there is no symbol like that.
No such thing.
Look.
So, marami kasing dito, guys. Maraming non-vegetarian at saka vegetarian.
Veg, non-veg.
So, they can choose kung ano ba yung gusto nila. Let's go and order now. Chalo. Kain tayo. Whenever we are eating outside, Doc Milan really loves eating. What is this?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. So, with cheese topping, no?
Lapinos pizza. Have different kind of garlic bread, right?
Very puchu-puchu. Very soft.
And the
Yeah, it's very tasty. But let's try this one. Don't judge it. Go and try this one first.
later.
It's my first time eating here in Pizza Hut in India. So, I am very curious kung ano ba yung mga spices na pinaglalagay nila sa mga pizza or if it's same sa Pizza Hut natin sa Pilipinas. Daming mozzarella cheese naman yan, Milan. So much mozzarella cheese. Yummy. Let me try. It's good. Maharap. We also ordered this pizza, guys. So, cheese with corn, no? Milan. Enough for both of us. It will be we will be full already with this.
I can't even finish this.
Because you ate already the garlic bread. For our dessert, guys.
Dessert.
Dessert. Right tayo. How was it, Milan? Smile, Karni?
Very good.
Very good.
Masarap.
Lasa siyang brownies. Tastes like brownies. Melted one. So ngayon guys, manonood ulit tayo ng movie kasi kanina may nangyari pero sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Cinemara and this time kasama natin si Jano. Actually something happened earlier pero kukwento ko sa inyo mamaya kung bakit nandito kami ulit. Pero yung papanoorin natin ngayon is sinatawag na Animal. Milan, Jano! Hi!
Salt water.
Actually it looks good inside, Jano. Good lighting also. So ayan guys, we're just waiting na matapos yung other show. And kanina nangyari, pumunta talaga kami sa sinehan ni Milan. And then nakapasok na kami sa loob. Pero yung kinuha kasi namin is with English subtitle, right Milan?
No, it's not
No,
with English.
we ordered, we booked the one with English subtitle.
But there was no English subtitle.
But when it's starting, there's no English subtitle. So Milan went down to go and check why there's no English subtitle. If they forgot to put it, they can turn it on, something like that. But they said
They said, okay, we will turn it on. Then I went inside. Then after 5-10 minutes, it wasn't still turned on. So I went out again. I complained again that my wife is calling and she cannot understand.
So in the end, they gave us the ticket back and then the food that we ordered.
After half hour of discussion.
After a half hour of fighting. Milan fight with them. So we decided that we will just watch the movie after some time. And ayan, sinama namin si Jano dito, right over here. Jano, since she did not see the Animal movie. So ayan, we'll be also eating dinner together. And then we'll be going back home. So ayun, it's very good movie as what they say, no? Animal.
Animal is better.
Very, very good movie.
It
so
doesn't have English subtitle,
but I understand.
8.3 out of 10.
8.3 out of 10 daw yung rating. But they said that most of the time, they're speaking English. So, ayun, I will be able to understand naman. And I know a little bit of Hindi. I understand. I just don't speak. So, little.
314 crores. 314.50 crores.
31450 crore, guys. Grabe.
5 days.
That's the amount they earn.
Yes.
So, it's very, very famous, guys. So, ayan, I will update you later where we will be eating. We'll still decide.
Worldwide,
Huh?
527.6 crores.
Without international...
Worldwide.
Worldwide. Okay.
527.
A lot. So, ayun, let's see. I will tell you later. So, ayun, we are currently in the cinema. Hanap tayo ng mauupuan. So, nakauwi na nga kami, guys. Hindi na kami kumain ng dinner kasi sobrang late na naming natapos sa panonood. Siguro natapos kami ng alas 9:30 or alas 10 na. So, kung pupunta pa kami dun sa kainan, halos sarado na sila. And kung meron mang mga open, hindi na namin gusto yung mga binibenta nila dun sa lugar. So, napagpasyahan na nga lang namin na pumunta dito sa bahay and umuwi na. So, ngayon, ang kinain na lang namin is nagluto na lang si mami nung tinatawag na puwa bataka and kinain na lang namin talunin na Jano yon. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy yung gabi na to, guys. Kahit na medyo nagkaroon ng stress nung unang part dahil nga gawa nung nagkaroon ng problema dun sa English subtitle. Ang problema ko kasi hindi ako masyadong nakakaintindi ng Hindi. Actually nakakaintindi ako pero kapag sa movie, di ba, gumagamit sila ng mga malalalim na words. So, kailangan pang i-translate sa akin ni Milan. And, pinili na nga namin yung isang movie na yon dahil nakasulat nga na meron siyang English subtitle. So, ang sabi ni Milan, gusto niya na maintindihan ko ng maayos. So, pagka upo namin dun sa mismong cinema, wala namang English subtitle na lumalabas. So, nakipag-away si Doc and nagkaroon ng aberya. Pero naging okay naman yung date in the end. And sinama na nga lang namin din si Jano since walang magsasama sa kanya. Gawa ng wala nga yung asawa niya dito and nasa Australia nga. So, ayun. Nag-enjoy naman kami, guys. Okay naman yung date. And hindi nga ako makapaniwala na 2 years na nga kaming kasal ni Milan. Parang ang bilis ng panahon, no? Parang kahapon lang na magkikita pa lang kami and nag-i-empake pa lang ako ng mga gamit. And ngayon, 2 years na kami, guys. Nag-celebrate na kami ng 2 years anniversary namin. So, ayun, I hope kasama namin kayo sa lahat ng mga ng mga years pa na darating. And huwag kayong magsasawa sa amin and lagi nyo kaming suportahan. Salamat sa mga walang sawang tumutok sa amin mula ng pagdating ko sa India hanggang sa ngayong araw. And sana sa mga susunod na taon, nandito pa rin kami hanggang sa magkaanak kami ni Milan and marami pa kami ma-achieve sa buhay namin. So ayun, thank you for watching guys. Kita-kita tayo tomorrow.